Holy lumberjack fast fold stove. Staying safe while camping is just as important as staying warm, and this smart device helps with both. It's a Bluetooth-compatible detector that measures temperature and humidity. When levels drop too low, it instantly alerts you with a powerful 105 decibel alarm that's as loud as thunder or a full orchestra. One of the best things about this gadget is how convenient it is. It weighs only 82 grams, so you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag, even on long hikes. Plus, it runs for up to 100 hours on a single charge, making it reliable for extended trips. This versatile detector isn't just traveling in an RV, it just needs extra safety at home. It's small, lightweight, designed to keep peace of mind wherever you go. $67, yet powerful gadget can make a big difference. Flame Mini is a game changer for outdoor living. It's no bigger than an apple, yet it's packed with powerful features that make camping and hiking much easier. Priced at $130, this compact gadget unfolds in seconds, transforming into a high-performance hiking torch with 3 cooking modes. The first mode is great for boiling water, the second turns it into a grill, and the turbo mode lets you cook food quickly when you're in a hurry. Unlike bulky stoves that require gas, the Pure Flame Mini runs on natural fuel like small branches you can find nearby. That means no heavy fuel canisters. Just grab some twigs and you're good to go. It's also built to handle the outdoors with its water-resistant design, so rain or moisture won't be a problem. One of its coolest features is its ability to convert heat into electricity, letting you charge your devices while you're out. Plus, the casing stays cool, making it safer to use. I carry 2 tools, that combines a knife sharpener and a fire starter. Struggling with dull knives or searching for ways to start a fire, this little tool makes both tasks simple and hassle-free. And the best part? It costs just $25. Small in size but big on usefulness, Sharp and Spark is perfect for outdoor lovers, adventurers, and anyone who likes to be prepared. Whether you need to cut, sharpen, or ignite, this handy tool ensures you're always ready for the work. Is a smart camping trailer from Australia, designed to make outdoor adventures more fun and hassle-free. It unfolds and sets itself up automatically, so you don't have to struggle with manual setup. Once ready, it offers cozy sleeping space for 4 adults and 2 kids, making it perfect for families. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with 3 burners, 5.3-gallon mini fridge, and even a DVD player for entertainment. Despite being so comfortable, it's built tough for off-road adventures. It comes with an independent suspension system, 4 gas shock absorbers, and a spare tire, ensuring smooth travel even on rough terrains. With a payload capacity of 1,430 pounds, it can handle a good amount of fuel. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or just having a relaxing weekend getaway, this camper blends convenience, comfort, and adventure in one package. Despite the striking plus, anyone exploring snake infested areas. Every year, snake bites affect nearly 5.8 million people worldwide. Protections mean the difference between life and death. Designed in Australia, it's able to shield you from some of the most dangerous snakes. including the highly venomous tiger snake. Standing 39 centimeters tall, they're made from a tough polyurethane material that resists bites and punctures. Thanks to the 4-point fastening system with wire reinforcements, they fit securely around your legs and won't shift as you move. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or working outdoors, these gaiters provide reliable protection without restricting movement. One of the best parts? They're incredibly easy to clean. Just wipe them with a damp cloth and some detergent, and they're ready for your next adventure. Tested against multiple snake species, they've proven to be a solid defense against potential attacks. The Rainbow AR-6 Stinger 2 compact mechanical pistol crossbow delivers speed, accuracy, and weighing just 1.2 kilograms. It's super lightweight and easy to handle. What makes it stand out? It's the fastest multi-shot crossbow out there, firing all 6 arrows from its magazine in just 20 seconds during target practice. This crossbow is great for recreational shooting or sports, even small game. With a range of about 15 meters, you can easily hit a target with average precision. It has Picatinny rails that let you attach laser sights, flashlights, and other accessories to improve your aim and experience. Despite its compact size, it's built for serious performance. Whether you're practicing at the range, testing your skills outdoors, or upgrading it with cool add-ons, the AR-6 Stinger 2 is a beast in a small package. And the best part? You can get this high-speed modern crossbow for just $300. Has you covered. Made by the same company behind the Sharp and Spark, the Survival Stove Head is designed for versatility and convenience. It's a smart addition to any camping kit, giving you multiple functions in one compact tool. Simple, efficient, and practical, this tiny gadget could be a lifesaver on your next outdoor trip. Surviveware Survival First Aid Kit isn't just about bandages and ropes. It's a full survival kit with essential tools. It covers all the basics for medical emergencies, but what makes it stand out is the extra gear. Inside, you'll find a signal map, a folding knife, a multi-tool, an emergency blanket, and more, making it a must-have for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness. One of the best features is its organized design. The contents are sorted into color-coded sections, grab the herb, black survival tools, red first aid supplies, green and blue hygiene essentials. This makes everything easy to find, even in high-pressure situations. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just want a reliable emergency kit at home or in your car, this one has everything you need. Compact, and used to handle both minor injuries and survival situations. Tact Bivy is a life-saving survival tool that everyone should have in their emergency kit. While most people focus on packing food and water, experts say staying warm is even more important. Harsh weather can be deadly faster than dehydration or hunger. That's why this compact sleeping bag is a must-have. Weighing just 140 grams and small enough to fit in your hand, the Tact Bivy is incredibly easy. The Tact Wallet isn't just a wallet, it's a pocket-sized survival tool. Designed for people who love adventure or just like to entertain, this tactical wallet comes with a built-in flashlight, screwdriver, glass cutter, bottle opener, and even a carabiner. Whether you need to fix something, pop open a drink, or handle an emergency, Reducing dog. Did you know that mosquitoes are more attracted to people who drink beer? Scientists are still figuring out why, but one thing's for sure, no one wants to be covered in itchy bugs. Luckily, this smart device helps keep mosquitoes away using orange light, which is naturally boring. That's not all. This isn't just a mosquito repellent. It's also a flashlight, light source, cleaning kit, and even a power bank. Perfect for anyone. The Tech Synergy Infinite 5T is a must-have for adventurers who need power off the grid. Instead of carrying heavy power banks, this compact wind generator lets you charge your devices using nothing but the wind. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring remote areas, it keeps your essentials like smartphones, cameras, and radios powered up. It works in winds as low as 3 meters per second and takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge a smartphone. Weighing just 1.6 kg, it sets up in 5 minutes without needing any tools. Trim bought in 2020. Imagine a robot that trims bushes and flowers all on its own. That's Trim bought in 2020. This smart gardening assistant is the Canova Dago robotic arm, originally designed to help people with limited mobility. Now it's been adapted and precise trimming senses to do the autonomy. Built on the Bosch Indigo robotic arm, Trim bought 2020 moves smoothly around the garden, using 5 minutes to stand and circles. And even received funding from Horizon 2020, a European Union program supporting innovation and technology. While it's not available for purchase yet, the advancements tested on this robot could lead to exciting new developments in automated gardening. The Wayland Outdoors Fire Starting Kit is a solid choice for anyone who loves camping or survival gear. We've checked out plenty of fire starting kits, but this one definitely stands out. It comes in a tough, waterproof bag, so you don't have to worry about your gear. For $40, you get all the essentials to start a fire quickly and easily. Inside, you'll find a barrel which sparks up fast. And a hockey gear that catches fire fast, whether you're out in the wild, dealing with bad weather, or just want a reliable backup. This kit has you covered. Compact design is easy to carry in your bag without taking up too much space. Having a good fire starter can make all the difference when you're outdoors, and this one is built into the kit. It's perfect for campers, hikers, and survivalists who need a effective way to start fires. Ever seen a tent with multiple kitchen options? This one is so advanced that the seller had to create an online configurator, just like you see for customizing apartments. But that's not the only thing that makes it special. This tent is huge, starting at 18 square meters, which means you'll need a trailer to transport it. But once it's set up, it offers a next-level camping experience.